I have a Catalina 22 sailboat that I purchased about 3 weeks ago. It's a 1979 model, and going over a couple of things on it, the boat is in really good condition, but I did notice there was an issue at the bottom of the mast where the step is, and if you'll notice there's supposed to be a hole here and a hole on the other side where a bolt goes through so that you can actually step the mast up. But on this side, the hole is actually ripped out, and that's a little bit of a concern to me. I don't want to step it with just one hole there holding the bottom. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to correct this issue. First thing I did is I went to the local Lowe's store and I bought this piece of stick aluminum. It's 1/8 inch thick by 1 inch wide by 3 foot long. It's just a few bucks, and I'm going to cut off a piece off of this, and I'm going to modify it so that it'll fit inside the mast, and I'm going to rivet it in where I can drill the hole out and make a new part for the step. I cut a 3.5 inch long piece off of the aluminum, and I took it to a vise and I bent it to try to make it fit into the curvature of the inside of the mast. And also I've ground this edge off, and I did that in order for it to fit up in here where the edge is angled back. And you can see, like, when I line this up here, now I can clamp this with a pair of vice grips, and I'm going to drill where I have the holes marked, and I'm going to put some rivets in there and pull this thing down tight. Okay, so I clamped the piece of aluminum stock in there, drilled it and riveted it, and you can see it's nice and smooth out here. I'm going to drill with a 5/16 inch drill bit, and get me a bolt, and we'll stick through there, and this thing will be ready to set up. Thanks for watching.